you all doing? It's been raining heavily here in the Philippines lately because of the typhoon. So I hope everyone is staying safe and warm inside. Today, I wanted to share a little life update on what's been keeping me so busy. I am still working as an online ESL teacher. But as many of you know, side income from teaching can be quite unpredictable. There are even times I can't reach the minimum cut-off amount to withdraw my earnings. That financial frustration really gave me the extra push I needed to revisit a dream I had put on hold. So, I decided to step back into the world of entrepreneurship and build something of my own. Right now, I am managing 2 side projects. First is a drink line featuring my own DIY Banana Milk Latte. It's been a real challenge to advertise because banana milk isn't very common here yet. So it's a completely new concept to most people. At the same time, I've been designing digital printables for kids, with plans to create learning materials for adults who wants to learn my native language soon. Marketing both side projects while teaching is definitely a learning curve, but I'm putting my whole heart into it and trusting the process. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.